Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Jamaica Natural Nature Juice. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your colon. It's very important, guys, to clean your colon at least 2 times for the year. Do you know you can be walking around with tons of poo in your colon? Yes, these poo are stuck to the wall of your colon, difficult to come out. This can cause your stomach to feel and look bloated and out of shape, cause you to get tired and sleepy and unable to perform the way you want to. It can also cause cancer in the colon, bad breath, and constipation. So guys, very important to clean your colon, okay? So please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, please touch the notification bell so my next video can always get it up front. And please leave a comments at the bottom of my video. Okay guys, let's start it. Okay, so this is my sea salt. 100% sea salt. And this is my lime. You can use lemon if you want to, right? So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna cut my lemon. So this whole lemon, I'm gonna use whole lemon, okay? So I'm gonna juice it out here. So you want to get all the juice out, okay? So I'm going to get rid of this, guys. So here you have all the seeds. Or here you have all the seeds and all the leftover from the inside. You know, so nothing goes inside here. So this is my lemon juice or lime juice, okay? So this is a whole lemon juice. So I'm going to pour my lemon juice in my cup. And guys, remember to use a big cup because you want as much as possible. Don't put it here, don't put it here, nor here. Put it till the end. Fill it all the way up. Okay, this is my sea salt, 100% sea salt. So I'm gonna get 1 tablespoonful of sea salt. So this is a tablespoonful of sea salt. So I'm going to put it in my lime juice. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to stir it till everything on the salt dissolve. Spend the time to allow the salt to dissolve. Still need to mix out a little bit more because the salt is coarse, as it's from the sea salt. So you have to get all this salt out. Okay, so this is my sea salt and lime juice. So guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some water to boil for 5 minutes and I'll be back with my boiling water. Give me a moment. Okay guys, here I am with my boiled water. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pour my boiling water in my lemon and sea salt. So I'm going to continue to mix so the salt can be continue to dissolve. Okay, now my salt is dissolved. I'm gonna cover this hot salt and sea salt water. Let it stay there for 5 minutes. Okay guys, I'll be back. Okay guys, my 5 minutes is up, and I have my hot water and sea salt and lemon. So what I'm gonna do, you let this cool for 2 more minutes until you can easy to drink it, because if it's too hot you cannot drink it. So you need it to cool so you can able to drink it. And guys, when you're drinking it, you drink all of it one time, because it doesn't taste 100% nice, but it's really 100% active. So guys, when you drink this, you lie down on your side and then you press the other side, massage the other side for 2 minutes. Then guys, you turn to the other side and you massage the other side for 2 minutes. When you're finished, you get some tea, some hot tea. It can be ginger tea, it can be whatever tea you like. It can be a tea bag, whatever tea you like. And you drink that tea. And then when you drink that tea, you relax. And then guys, you can drink like 2 glasses of water. Drink 1 glass of water, then you drink another glasses. You just keep continue drinking water. Or you can drink lemonade, ice cold lemonade, whatever lemonade you want. You can hot lemonade or ice cold lemonade. And guys, this will help to clean your colon. After 20 minutes, you're gonna be after running to the bathroom. And you're gonna go to the bathroom like 2, 3, 4 times. So guys, you have to stay home after you drink this. Do not take the bus, do not go out, stay home and near your bathroom, near your toilet. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to give me a thumbs up, remember to subscribe, because the subscription will help me so much guys. Yeah, and please leave a comments down. Thank you for watching the Jamaican Natural Nature Juice. Bye.